Your Circuit Court Clerk, Jacqueline C. Smith, now offers a grant-funded service that can notify homeowners of transactions relating to their designated properties. Homeowners can receive an email alert anytime their GPIN, personal name, or entity name is used in a real property recording within the Circuit Court Clerk's office for Prince William County, Manassas and Manassas Park. Possible filings that may generate an email alert include deeds, trust, liens, judgments, satisfactions, and refinances. There are several ways you can access the Circuit Court Clerk's Property Alert portal. One is through the Circuit Court Clerk's office webpage. You can go to www.pwcva.gov/department/circuit-court. Once there, click on the Menu tab in the upper right side of the web page. When the larger menu is open, look under Land Records and you'll find a link that says Property Alert System. Click on that link. Here you will find information regarding the Circuit Court Clerk's Property Alert System. Click on a link to open the alert system in a new window. Here you can register for the Circuit Court Clerk's Property Alert portal. After you've read the responsibilities as a subscriber, fill in the information to register for an account, and then click the Create Account button. Once you've registered for an account, you will receive an email from Vanguard prompting you to activate your registration. Within the email, click on that link. Once you have activated your account, you will need to sign in to create your property alert. After you are signed in, you will be redirected to your property alert dashboard. There are a few options available to you on this dashboard. On the upper right-hand menu, there is an Other Services tab. When you click on that, you will see links to Manassas City, Manassas Park, Prince William County, and our LRMS system. These links provide real estate assessment information, allowing you to identify your property's tax number or GPIN, which will be necessary in your search and criteria for alerts. The Property Alert System uses two-factor identification. One is a name, and the other is a tax map ID or GPIN. Click or tap the shield next to where it says Property Alert in the upper right menu of the dashboard. Although this page says there are two ways to set up a free property alert, we encourage you to enter a keyword. Once here, you can configure your search criteria by entering the last name of the property or the business name. Keep in mind when you do enter a name, if it is common, you may receive alerts for multiple properties that are not associated with your property. Alternatively, you can also include a first name, as well as a GPIN or tax map ID number. Either or both can create a property alert. The portal will confirm your alert activation via pop-up box, and an email will be sent to your inbox. You can click on any link in order to view the property in which you created an alert within your property alert dashboard. Among the property alerts, you will see the alert date, the document number, the recorded date, and the search criteria. You can click on the document number to view the recording from our office. To go back to the main page, click Go to Search at the top left side of this page. Here, you can also do a quick search with the same information. If you would like to toggle between the dashboard from this main page, click on your name in the upper right side of the dashboard. Within the account settings on the left-hand menu, you will see the Property Alerts link. If you need help, you can also click on the Help icon at the upper right dashboard menu. Within this tab, there is a knowledge base with frequently asked questions, a live chat, and a product tour. The tour can navigate you step by step throughout the dashboard. We hope that this property alert tutorial has helped you get started in your configuration of property alerts and provided some peace of mind about accessing and safeguarding your records.